What's up guys, alright? My name is Adams, and in this video, I will answer some important questions about Refuel AI, and I will take the opportunity to tell you everything they hide from you, and everything you need to know before you buy, so watch this video until the end. I promise that I won't take too much of your time, but before I go to the video, I want to give you a super important tip, which is regarding scams on fake internet sites. There are countless fraudulent sites that can confuse you, and to help you not fall into a scam, I'll leave the official and secure Refuel AI website with a discount and bonus in the description or pinned comment. First off, what is Refuel AI? Well, Refuel AI is an automated earning system that uses artificial intelligence technology to simplify the process of making money online. By copying and pasting a single line of text, you activate AI bots that drive traffic, earn commissions, build buyer lists, and drive free traffic to your offers or websites. The system is designed to be a plug-and-play solution, allowing you to earn profits even when offline or not actively working. One of the main advantages is the use of artificial intelligence to automate tasks and generate profits with minimal effort. AI bots work 24/7 on autopilot, driving traffic, generating commissions, and building buyer lists. With Refuel AI, you don't need to build websites, produce content, or engage in traditional marketing methods. Simply copy and paste a line of text to activate the profit technology. This simplifies the process and eliminates complex tasks. Refuel AI is easy to use and accessible for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. It is designed as a plug-and-play solution, requiring no technical skills or prior experience. Plus, the system offers step-by-step coaching and profit shortcuts to help you maximize your results. Refuel AI offers diversified monetization opportunities, allowing you to generate income from different sources. This reduces reliance on a single revenue stream and increases earning potential. The system includes built-in traffic generation features, helping you drive free buyer traffic to your offers or websites. This increases visibility, attracts potential customers, and can lead to higher conversions and sales. What's more, the system can be accessed from multiple devices, offering flexibility and convenience. You can work on your online income generation from anywhere, anytime. The system provides comprehensive training resources, including step-by-step videos and profit shortcuts. These features help you get the most out of your system. In addition, customer support is available to assist you with any. What I like most about Refuel AI is the combination of full automation and ease of use. With just one line of text, you can activate AI bots and start generating profits. The diversity of monetization opportunities and the built-in traffic generation capabilities are also strengths of the system. Refuel AI offers a 180-day money-back guarantee, giving users peace of mind. If for any reason you are not satisfied, you can request a refund. In addition, the system offers customer support to help you with any questions or problems that may arise while using Refuel AI. In summary, Refuel AI offers a simple and straightforward solution to generate income online. With its AI-powered automation, ease of use, and powerful features, it can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to earn money online. Remember to take advantage of the 180-day money-back guarantee to try the system risk-free. Well guys, this was my honest opinion about Refuel AI, and I really hope I helped you with this information. The official Refuel AI website will be in the description and in the comments. If you have any questions, comment in this video and I will answer. Thanks for watching, and until next time.